Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible.
Lady and blessings,
Big up,
blessings.
big up, big up, big up.
Yes, yes. As a veteran in the business, how you feeling this new tune
Oh,
from
me like
Macka
it.
Diamond?
Yeah, me love but like both it now. Me like how sharp bounce man the rhythm should roll it, you know? It's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
have a summer bounce to it. And it should focus and promote the song. This song can be a big summer hit because it's
I,
nice.
I feel the same way too, you
Yeah,
know?
and the lyrics is relevant because if the money not run, no, we have fun. It's nice song. You have to get
Yeah,
credit.
yeah. Them the lyrics that can't stay out, you know?
Yeah, it's a nice song. And you have to give credit to where credit is due. Nice little
Yeah,
summer song. Plus, I feel
yes.
focus on it and promote it and just push it to the lyrics.
Yeah,
And it's
yeah.
away.
Yeah. I'm gonna do my best to push good music
Yeah,
like
nice
this,
little
you
song,
know?
man. If you just spend time and focus on it.
Yeah,
And just
yeah.
deal with the song and make the song it because it's a nice song. I really like it.
Yeah, me too. It's
Start
vibes,
up the
you know?
rhythm and that's the most important thing.
Yeah,
Sharp bounce, you know?
yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
the male artist, him sound good too, you know? Him
Yeah,
sound
yeah,
good.
yeah. He sound good. He sound good. I'm
Yeah,
not gonna
him
lie to you,
sound
you
good.
know.
Him sound good. Him sound good. Nice little
Sound
song. I
good.
can't bias it. And I can't tell a lie. I can't go around it. Nice song.
Yeah. You see,
Nice
people.
song.
Yes, she said it. You know that she's not being biased. So that's what's up, lady, and that's what's up.
A
You
nice
know.
little song. Yeah. If you're not person have to agree for you talk the truth, I give them the credit.
I'm the same way, you know.
Yeah, you have to just the truth is there. You can't be hypocrite. If the thing sound good, you have to say it sound good. It
Yes,
sound good.
yes.
Sound good. And then a foolishness. Nice summer bounce song.
Yup.
Yeah. Mm.
But you good though.
Yeah, man, me good, man. Me good. You know, it's just that, reggae, like we said last, another legend, the Great Trinity.
Yeah. I
Wally
just did
Capson.
I did a little review about him. I did hear his music. Sean Paul
Yeah.
remixed
Yeah,
one of
man.
his hits. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Well, past the man paved the way for you know. The man it's so sad nobody now talk about him. I just DMX. No wrong. I repeat DMX and condolences to DMX family, but Trinity are all one, and we should have talk about him.
Yeah. If I didn't hear you talking about it, I wouldn't even know, you know.
Yeah, that me assure you, man, how them treat, how Jamaica treat them people, man. That's what me I talk about, you know.
Yeah, a lot of
What me
these
I talk about.
like radio station like Zip and them should have let it known so that the fans them could have know, the young people could know, you know.
Yeah. And you see that no, them don't educate the younger artists about the seniors. They don't.
Yeah.
And just this sort of thing there. And if you're not current, make it even worse.
Yep.
But the man that big now the European markets here, and the man that still a tour and do that with them things.
Yeah, man. Them some hit songs I research, you know.
Yeah, man, the man have Judgment Time, 3-piece suits, Taki and all. He have so many good songs.
Yeah.
So many good songs. But that's sort of thing what we're going to do. We can't change it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we can try, but you know.
Yes, the Cecile interview.
Nah, I didn't get where was she on? What she did the interview on?
I used to see and look like she do it on her IG. They shut up about the thing with where the Prime Minister talk about the music and the violence and
I think somebody sent it to me, but I didn't get to fully watch it, you know.
Yeah.
But the Prime Minister just trying to distract from what them deal with, you know.
Yeah. I don't know if you can get no better. As Cecile say nah, get no better. It go worse.
Yup.
And now at time, man and man better know themselves. Cause like Trinity say, at judgment time. Right now at judgment time.
Oh, people check out. Not to cut you off. No, I was telling the people them to check out the review on my Boom Bye Bye TV channel. Tamale connection with Waldy might make him guilty by association, you know.
With the gun and where them I say the bad them with the panic.
Yeah, because we hear Tamale.
Remember some one of the man did pass Tamale did in a jail, you know.
One of them did what?
When one of the man did
yeah, one of them did dead, yeah, but it's not even like that. It's just true. he's rolling with the ops, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, he's rolling with the ops of rifles. So guilty by association. You see me answer. So.
But the question me, how can them find him guilty? Remember him the day in a jail
No, what I'm
at the
saying,
time.
guilty by association. I'm talking about street shit. You know what I mean? If you par with the enemy, then you're dead with the enemy. You see me answer.
Same son. Yeah, true. But
Yeah, like that. But with the gun situation now, if he don't have an alibi,
no man, him did in a jail, man. Remember, you
nah,
never
nah,
say.
nah, he wasn't. He wasn't. I checked up all his jail records from 2014 to recently. He wasn't in jail.
I swear him did
Um,
in a jail.
yeah, he wasn't in jail for those months.
Well, him in a big trouble then. If me never
Yeah.
go to jail from
So
that
I don't
shit.
know if he was performing though. So that's the next thing I gotta
All of
say.
that too. Nobody's going. Well, him probably could have a. The kind liar say, him not nothing to do them things. So them could have a good
Yeah.
alibi.
But you know the thing go. If America them catch you with the gun that led to these things,
Yeah,
no alibi, then
no
they're gonna
alibi. Yeah,
stick
your
it to you unless
chance.
you snitch on the whole
Yeah,
operation for
yeah,
plebeian. That's it.
yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's sticky, but it's the police. There's the police them under pressure in Jamaica. So the corrupt cops ain't trying to go down for no gangster. You know what I mean?
You think them under pressure which cut to me look like them do anything them want to do or what them feel like do?
Well, that too, but the police them I feel a little pressure. So I guess
But
they're
you know
covering
what?
up their
I'm
tracks. You know
telling
what I
me
mean?
learn them young artists here. Them
Yeah.
things say is still not the same thing that the 80s when people used to do a lot of things and get away with it.
Yes. Yes.
No,
Yes.
you can't do that. Look at Ninja Man and them. They are making an example out of them. So if
Yeah.
them don't want to get it together and do the right thing, them they find them own.
You're
Them
right
go
there.
play.
Yeah. They stuck. Their mindset is stuck in the 80s and shit.
Yes. And it's not like that anymore. Them go make example out of the whole of them.
Yup.
So them still don't want to shake up now. Them still there with them all for foolishness and no shake up. It's sad for them.
Yeah, man, it's different.
Sad for them.
It's wanna be first post. Yeah.
So the thing go on, man. Now come off your life before you the one of your life come this me, cause I'd me say king, love my children them and me, anybody can style me from yasso to eternity, but so once I get my children them involved, that's it. And then I'm not with you. You can't do not that something to me, but look your direction. Kids are off limits, no matter I mean, we can play now, we can play rough, but we can play rough with each other. But once you start get children involved, me not play them, me not take them out there. And anybody talk about my children, them, time my children, them, me no have nothing to do with them in life. I'll let me say drop them, me step over here and continue on. I mean that. Yeah.
All right, lady.
All right,
Bless.
Yeah.
It's sung. Lady Ann says she like it. So it's a good song, Yeah, 9-6 wife, you say, I have no money now run. You can't pick your plum, Yeah, cause eggplants I work with Ronya, so you see me. Yeah. It's a good look. People support Macka Diamond. Go on to her Vevo channel. Drop a comment over there. You feel what I'm saying? It's a good tune. Big up all my Guyanese people. You don't know the thing said. What is it? GT? Yeah, I can't really remember the ears. But big up all of my Guyanese family. Them. You don't know the thing said. We'll go out bush and, kill 2 animal and all them thing there and put them on the grill and put the spice cube and rub them up. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, the blood pudding and all of them thing there. Yo, big up my Guyanese people, you see me? Let's see if we can add Lady Ann and
How she's feeling the music,
Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell because around you say get the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.